I'd like to tell you about a client of mine that I helped with their small package shipping expense reduction. And they're a manufacturing client. They ship out a lot of small parts, all across the country and internationally. They do about 120,000 of small package shipping spend per year. And we were able to bring that spend down to 84,000 a year. So a savings of 36,000 per year. So quite significant savings. And we're able to do that through a couple different ways. One approach was that we simply negotiated down their rates. So for example, you could have a domestic ground commercial and they might have had a 10% discount. And we were able to get it up to a 50% discount. You could have a next day air that was maybe a 20% discount, and we were able to take it up to a 60%. And we're able to do that because with our previously negotiated pricing, we understand what these companies should be paying. And we also tackle smaller things too. For example, like a residential surcharge. For this particular client, it was hovering around $4. We were able to get it to $2.70 across the board. So not only were they happy with that, but they're also really thrilled with our monitoring service. Because what we're able to do there is we're able to help them save as we're continuing along in our relationship. So for example, every time you have a wrong address, even if it's just one number is different on the zip code, you're talking about a $15 charge. And what if you ship to the same business 20 times over a month or two, right? That's a lot of money that's adding up there. So once we see that the new address has been corrected, we're going to make sure that we reach our client and tell them that, hey, fix this in your system so you won't have those charges. And even things like filing the claims, getting back $40 here, $50 there for late shipments, all those kinds of things, those are things that we stay on top of, and we really bring extra value to our clients.